Hello, I want to show you an easy way to disassemble and reassemble the Glock firing pin module. What do we need? We need an empty 9mm shell and we need an empty 22 long rifle shell. Insert the 22 long rifle shell into the firing pin sleeve and insert it into the 9mm shell. Push down the firing pin's spring, remove the spring cups and remove the empty shells. Total disassembled. How to reassemble? Insert the firing pin into the firing pin sleeve. Insert the empty 22 long rifle shell. Insert both into the 9mm shell. Attach the firing pin spring. Push it down and attach the spring cups. Remove the shells again. Ready, reassemble.